What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a pretty long day ahead of us. We're gonna meet with some of the Street Evo boys and we're gonna head off to San Jose for a car meet. So yeah, we're gonna go meet up at a Quickly's and I'll just update you guys when we get there. I forgot to mention we're picking up Vincent.
God damn!
Hi Vincent. Smack the camera, like put your hand over it. We're here with the whole crew. What's Vincent? We just got a relocation. Boy, what the? Yeah, we got the location. Yeah, we're just about to get gas and we about to be off. Bro, no, stop right now. Dude, look, my gas was only $4. Look how much my gas cost me. Dude, look, look. What the hell is going on, bro? What is he doing?
Nobody cares, bro. Rack it up.
Dude, I know you're jealous. Damn. Bro. How much was your gas? Mine was only $4.74. Vlogception.
He said they gonna go back to work, bro. He's going to work.
Yeah, we all got gas. We're about to go head off now, so see you guys when we get there. Is it zoomed out? We have a long ass way to go, but yeah. Why is this dude in the middle of the road? I can't shift. Put me in second. Put me in second. Yes. Put me in neutral. Yes. Oh. Yes. Look at this Honda Civic. Why are his wheels crooked, dude? What is it? His car's broken. His car's broken. No. Oh, put it first. Ah. There's a turn up and the MR2 right here. I haven't updated the vlog in how many hours? Like 4 hours? 3 hours? Yeah, stuff happened. So this is where it got pretty bad. So basically, me and the crew, we were on our way to go to Gen to go have some dinner, and I was following, I forgot who was following, but I was in the back, and Joseph was leading in the front. So we were just driving down the road, we were slowing down, coming to an intersection, and I see water fly up like 20 feet. And I was driving, and I look to my right, I look at Vincent, I'm like, yo, that looks fun. So I stepped on it. I dropped into third, I stepped on it, and I went, and I was like, uh-oh. And then my whole engine steamed, but that's just because of the water. And like, I'm just driving, and I hear scraping all over the place. So I call up Joseph, I'm like, pull over, like, I need to check on my car. I check on my car, my 2 front fender liners are like disconnected, like rubbing against my tire. It's stuck that way. I can't really bend it back because it's deep in there. We didn't know at the time, but my skid plates actually came undone and they were scraping all over the floor. At the time, we thought it was my exhaust. So that's the reason why we call it AAA, but yeah. We're in Joseph's car right now because my car is fucked up. We're waiting for AAA. Stupid. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore, dude. I want to go home. I want to go lay down. What's going on, guys? It's actually the next day. Yesterday was pretty much a disaster. The MR2 is at my house now. Well, obviously, but we were in San Jose till like 9:45, and we ended up just leaving the keys with the MR2 so AAA could just come get it, because if we would have waited, they would have got there at 12 o'clock And the MR2 actually got back to my house at around 1:30. So God, yesterday was terrible, but here's AAA actually dropping it off at around 1:15 in the morning or something. Yeah, the car is actually pretty low, so my exhaust tip scraped. So did my muffler, but it's alright. I got a new one, and my lip also kind of scraped up. Okay, so the main issue with the MR2 was that the fender liner kind of got ripped out, and like it was rubbing like crazy. But that wasn't really that big of a deal. It was my skid plates actually came out, and they're scraping on the ground the whole time. And at first, me and my friends thought it was an exhaust, but my exhaust is doing fine. And when I got here, me and my dad thought it was the CV joint, but the CV joint's fine, everything else is fine. So I guess it was actually drivable. I would have had to scrape home all the way. So I mean, I guess it's better that we got the tow truck, but yeah. So basically the plan is to just fix the skid plate and fix my fender liner, and yeah. We are finally done fixing the MR2. So basically what happened was the fender liner here kind of got ripped out by the water, and the tab broke off, but me and my dad kind of just shoved it in there with some rubber, and the tab will stay. So the fender liner is not rubbing against the tire anymore. Same thing happened on this side, same exact tab, same everything. And last but not least, the skid plate on the bottom, we couldn't really fix it, so my dad and I just decided to cut it off. This dude really at the wrong house. Stupid. Wrong house, buddy.
I know, bro. I was like, it don't look right.
Yes. Ooh. Man.
Hey man, while I'm here, I might as well take that out too. It's easy.
Oh, you about to take that out too?
Yeah. So all it is, I just pop this lip off. I gotta redo this lip anyways. No, I'll just do that tomorrow, bro.
Alright.
Cause I have to redo the tape and shit.
So basically, this man here had to roll this fender, right?
Yeah.
Or quarter panel. Big shout out to him though. Called me up at AAA. Man, that was crazy, bro. We were there for like 3 hours.
Oh, yeah, we were.
AAA came at like 1 in the morning. This dude was texting me.
Yeah, you little punk.
I fell asleep.
I'm like, why am I stressing? Not even my car. I was like, damn, I must not care about his car.
Look at all these texts, bro. And you called me like 10 times or something.
Yeah, bro. I was like, damn.
We after about like what, 20 minutes of rolling. Oh, he's on the phone. Damn, bro, look at this ricer, bro.
Shut the f up, bro. Look who's talking.
What?
I'm going down slowly. I got.
Oh, bro, what the fuck?
What the fuck? This shit doesn't come down slowly?
Yes, it does.
I was like this.
Yeah, you have to go stupid slow.
I was like this. It's been.
I don't know.
You got that torque wrench?
Yeah.
What?
Nothing. What you guys think? Rice or nice?
Nice, bro. You gotta take this to Drew Peacock.
Drew Peacock.
Oh man, the weather guards.
Oh man, the stickers. Bro, the red Honda badge.
Really?
Bro, come on, bro. You got VTEC on the side.
And you got vortex generators, bro.
Oh, come on, man.
Oh man, look at this cheap ass wrap on the headlight.
Look at this broken splitter. Supreme sticker. What's under here? What's under here, huh? Are you even trying to go wide body? Like, I mean, this.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
How much more wide can you go? Like,
Like up to here, bro.
oh my! And you're about to have a camber?
Well, not in the front. I'm gonna put spaces in the front. I'm gonna put spaces on the rear too, but I'm gonna have the camber only on the rear, just so that I can get lip to fender, you know?
Yeah. Street evolution.
But yeah, next one I'm gonna get rid of the carbon fiber hood.
Do it.
Carbon fiber hood. After that, headlights.
Some side skirts, bro.
I already have side skirts. I just gotta get them painted.
Oh, you have them. What color are they?
They're fucking matte black.
Oh.
I'm gonna get them painted, slap the side skirts on, and get the fucking others. You know the extension of the side skirts.
Yeah, the side splitter.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta show him something. Boy. That pretty much wraps it up for the vlog.
Pretty much.
Shout out to this man. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure to subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Follow us on IG and
That's it.
smack the lens. Smack the lens. Do it.
I love the way you're doing your thing, if I'm being honest.